But I haven't been on paper logs in a while, so what should I look for?
Great question. Here are some common mistakes to look for when you're filling out paper logs. Ensure that each field of the logs are filled out completely. And remember, neatness matters. Remember to write down your starting and ending mileages for each day and enter the total number of miles driven. These mileages in the upper left-hand corner should match one another. Every vertical line on the graph should have a corresponding entry in the remarks field below with the city and the state that you were at the time. Also, any blank fields that do not have any information, such as the commodity field when you're empty or the co-driver field, need to have N/A in it to show that you're aware of that field, but you don't have any information that you're going to be putting in there. Also, complete the attached DVIR every day to make sure that you include the pieces of equipment that you're going to be operating on both the DVIR and your daily logs and ensure that those two match. Lastly, make sure that you sign your logs and DVIRs at the top and the bottom of the sheet. Signing these is your way of certifying that all of the information is true and correct.
Wow, that's a lot. I'll be glad to get this stupid tablet fixed. I forgot just how much there was to go on paper. I don't get why all this is so important.
I get it. It is tough, but thanks for your patience in working through all this. It may seem like a real pain, but it's important all of these steps are taken to keep yourself compliant and safe in the event that there's an accident or even an inspection. I hope this all helps, and remember, you can always reach out to your fleet leader, support, and a member of the safety team if you have any questions.
Thanks, but I sure hope I don't have to go back on paper anytime soon.